Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Malik Emaad. Welcome back to another delicious recipe. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Without wasting any time, let's start it. Today we are going to make a delicious recipe Kabab Kanti at home with very easy steps. Let's start the video. First we have green chilies, capsicum, tomato and onions. Now let's start by cutting the onions. Do not slice them too thick or too thin. Medium slice work best. Next slice the tomato into thin, long strips. This gives the dish a much better look. Now take the capsicum and cut it into thin, long slices as well. Finally, take the green chilies and cut each one into two pieces. Once all the vegetables are ready, transfer them to a bowl. Now it's time to add the spices: Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger powder, soap powder, garam masala, lemon, salt. Now add all these spices to it. The juice of 1 lemon and about half a bowl of curd. Mix everything really well until all
Cover the bowl
vegetables
with a
are
lid and
nicely
let it
coated.
marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour.
Now take the kebabs and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now heat a pan over medium flame and add a generous amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the kebab pieces and fry them until they are nicely brown. Kebabs are nicely browned and fried. Now remove the fried kebabs from the pan. Now add the marinated vegetables to the same pan with the remaining oil. Keep stirring constantly so they do not
Ginger,
burn.
garlic, add little bit vinegar.
Cook the spices well, then add the fried kebabs back into the pan. Pour in a little water. So the spices cook properly and the flour soak into the kebabs. Cover the pan
10
with a
minutes
lid
later,
on medium heat
let's
for
remove
12
the meat.
minutes. Wow, the aroma is absolutely amazing. The water has dried up and the kebabs are perfectly cooked. They look just like restaurant style kebab kanti with a beautiful color. Now let us serve them on a plate. Guys, the kebab kanti turned out absolutely delicious. It tasted even better than restaurant style kebab kanti. You should definitely make it once and enjoy it with your family. I'm sure everyone will love it. Do not forget to tell me in the comments how you liked it. Until the next video, take care, keep me in your prayers. Khuda Hafiz.